James saying that the Airways CT jet now showing 16:22 departure. Old engines, more noise. Well, in principle, yes, especially the low bypass engines of yesteryear. But you know, those old Pratt & Whitneys or the CF6s can make a right old racket. But the Trent 700s, you know, the Trent 800s make a serious noise as well.